Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Can't read the title. It is a Art the Clown mask. This mask was made by Noxor Horror Mask on Instagram. He is a artist out of Hungary, Budapest. So it's all the way across the world, but it actually, this package actually came fairly quick. I'd say maybe 5 or 6 days coming from Budapest. You guys want to go check his Instagram out, Noxor, N-O-X-O-R Horror Mask. Damn, he take the hell out of this daggone thing. This is actually one of the best Art the Clown masks that I've seen. Is the reason why I jumped on it. It comes with a display head, the mask, the bib, or collar rather, and the sunglasses, the flower sunglasses that Art the Clown wears in part 2. Oh wow. Looks like he threw something else extra in there. He was a great guy to deal with. Damn, he packed the hell out of it. That's so cool. He threw in a Santa hat. That's very cool. Appreciate that, brother. Here's the glasses. Here's the hat. Very cool. Now for the main piece. Like I said, this is one of the best Art the Clown masks that I have seen. It's wearable, or you can display it on the display head that he includes. Without further ado, I present to you Art the Clown. Oh wow, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, like I said, the best version of Art the Clown. You can't get no better than that. The side profile. Wow. Very, very nice. Comes in with this belt display. You throw it on the hat and show you guys what he looks like real quick before I try it on. This is a latex mask. Wow. There he is, guys. Art the Clown by Noxor Horror Mask. Very, very cool. I'm going to try it on real quick. Show you guys what it looks like worn. Very, very nice job. I seen the pictures of this thing, dude. I knew I had to have it. Here's the mask itself. It has a white strap. Most of them that you see have black straps. I'm glad that he did the one with the white because it hides that strap a little bit better. Let's get this thing off. It's a little tricky. Very, very good price for all the stuff that he's included. I'm going to leave this one on here just because it seems like it's a little pain in the ass to take off. That would be the base hood that you would wear. And then this is the baklava on top. Hopefully it fits my big ass head. Put this on first. Hope this fits. I might have to put this on first. A little tricky. Hee. Alright. Start with hair. And like I said, the other baklava will go on top of this one, so you won't be able to see all of that. Very, very cool. Here's the sunglasses. Bear with me, folks. Very, very cool. Definitely plan to get the actual costume. Oh, I forgot to throw this on. Not that it really makes a difference me wearing it. But yeah, guys, that's basically about it. I'll throw the stunner hat on, let me see now. Anyways, guys, that's about it. Just wanted to quick share that with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you later.